Where do you want it viewed from?
I don't care. I'm outside. Out there, up here.
I'm in the back.
Or yeah, he can do it. I don't care. You can make him do it. I'm gonna go up that thing. What? Big one? Well, I was planning on it, but
Let's go.
4-door wouldn't have liked that.
This is what I was talking about. Pulling up over it.
can I go up there? Is that where they went at?
Yep.
He's like, screw it, I'll try it.
We need to just cut it.
Yeah, I got a shovel. I wasn't even watching.
How big of a saw is that? Oh, gee.
Not enough wheel speed.
You need it farther over.
Yeah.
Roll it over.
I'll say let's just cut it.
You got the saw with you.
There's a big ass stump right behind, under
You turn that off.
us.
Just throw it down there. It's okay.
It goes in that thing pretty well to handle.
Right there.
I'm good.
I will.
I saw my saw. I don't want to bend anybody else's bar. What happened?
Leaked all the gas out. No, it's not like it.
Wild horses
Damn it.
couldn't drag
I
me.
think I have enough gas, man. I don't have enough gas.
Oh,
We can try.
it's like a saw,
How
but
about
smaller.
How about I winch it up there, maybe?
Just winch up the hill and over to the log. I told you that log fucking. It was 3 feet in the air, and Timmy just fucking slammed into it. He's like a maniac, dude. In that thing. Oh shit! I needed to fucking.
Dude, I don't think this thing has enough gas in it, man. I'm serious. I thought about it before I left even too. Look, go get some gas.
We can just sit here and wait for the ground to dry. Ground to dry.
That's fine with me. I'll stay and wait with you.
All right, man. Do it. Turn the music back on.
Here, let's see.
It's probably because I'm in the back. I'm weighing us down.
Hey, try to walk it without me in it.
Without me in it. There's
I don't think it's gonna walk it, but
fucking stump back here.
yeah,
Hit the rev limiter and see if it helps.
I will. Let's do it.
What gear? What gear are we? Oh, it's going.
Third.
Right now. Hammer down. Hammer
I wasn't even locked up.
down. You weren't locked up? Are you serious right
I
now?
turned it off.
All
Make sure. All right.
right, we'll get it this time. Surfing, dude. It looks like everybody went over back here.
Oh.
But
I think you're gonna make that.
yeah, I think we're gonna end up sliding down the hill.
Be right over there on its top.
I hope not. I hope you're wrong. Wise bearded one.
Wide open.
I feel the transfer case.